Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing my last unboxing for 2022. This bag arrived late yesterday and so I wasn't able to film that video yesterday, but I'm going to go ahead and do this quick video today and get this posted, and this will be my last video as well for 2022. So let me get right to this unboxing. Alright you guys, so the item is in this box right here. Nice size box. Let me open this up. Alright you guys, so here is the item right here out of the box. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Here she is. And this is the Jacquard Medium Dempsey Tote. That's what she is. Jacquard Medium Dempsey Tote. And it's in this like cream, really light khaki color, and it has the pink stripe down the front. The bottom is like an iridescent type of white. In the back has that pink and white stripe, which is what I liked about the bag. And I like the light color of the bag. I like that it wasn't 100% white, but still light in color, and of course has the pink. This is very different for me. You all know I prefer totes that zip up. This one does not zip, but I really liked how it looked, and I thought, you know what, let me order it, give it a try, and if I don't really like it, once I get it, I can return it. I'm going to take out some of the stuffing, not all. So far, the size is really good. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton, I guess, on the go type of size, maybe in the medium size, because they have a smaller size, which would be more like a PM size, or like they have a different kind of bag that matches it at Louis Vuitton. Alright, I've taken out the stuffing. That's the strap. It's a crossbody strap. And there's more stuffing. Okay, there we go. It's just a light brown type of color is what I would consider. The inside has leather. This trim right here is a leather type of trim. And then the rest is like a canvas material. It has two pockets right here. That's a pocket, that's a pocket. And then on the other side it has a zip compartment. The same setup as like my Galleria totes.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
There we go. Very cute bag. Actually, it's a lot cuter than I was thinking. I do like how it feels. Not sure about this jacquard type of material because it's not leather, and this bag was pretty expensive. I think it's like $214. I want to say I paid like $174 for it. Pretty expensive for something that's not all leather, but I mean, then again, we're buying Louis Vuitton and it's not all leather, but this is a fabric, you guys. Very pretty. I'm going to get my laptop and see if that fits in here, because that's kind of one of the driving things with this bag. I want to make sure it fits my necessities. Okay, laptop. True test. And no, that does not fit in there. It can go that way, but I don't want to carry it that way. So let's put this down. Okay, so this bag does not fit my laptop. So it'll be purely as a purse, which, because it's open, I just don't see me having like my accessories and things in here, wallet kind of loose in an open tote like this. Maybe this fits more. Let me use my tab 8. Okay, so I think if I was traveling and I was just taking my tab 8, which I do, I travel a lot without my actual computer. Probably can't see that really well. That's the strap, and that's my tab 8 right there. So essentially I could put my tab 8 in here. I can put my electronic cords and my mouse that go with it. I can put all my essentials for like smaller items, but not my actual laptop, which would still be okay with me, because then I can still downsize. But you guys know I just bought the other bag yesterday. I'm going to get that bag and kind of show these side by side. Alright you guys, so here is the Jacquard Dempsey Tote. And here is the City Zip Top Tote. I feel like the pinks are fairly close in color on both of these. Okay. And here is another shot of the Gallery Tote. Sorry, it's my husband pulling up in his motorcycle. Alright you guys, what are your thoughts on these bags here? I'm probably only going to keep one. Which one do you think I should keep? Which one would you pick? This one is definitely something different for my collection, which I really like. This one just reminds me of my Gallery Tote. So I'd have to figure out something with this open top on there. Alright you guys, that is it for this unboxing. If you have any questions about anything in this video, definitely comment down below. As always, thank you for supporting me throughout this 2022. And if you've been a subscriber long before then, I really do appreciate you all supporting my channel and helping me grow. As always, thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and I will see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.